Namaste and welcome to a new video with Simply Kaushiki. The festive season is here and today I want to share some creative decor idea that cost nothing and add a lot of charm to your home. And these ideas I have tried myself and trust me they make such a difference. Let's dive into these simple yet very elegant zero cost festive decor ideas. If you've watched my jewelry organization video, then you would remember that how we organized all these necklaces. Today I'm going to use these jewelry pieces to share few decorative ideas for this festive season. This is one of my favorite ways to decorate and use the jewelry for display. Take a mirror tray and add some fresh flowers and display your favorite necklace, earrings, and that creates a amazing elegant decor to any table. Especially if you have a dressing table, it's a perfect way to display it. Similarly, I'm using a wooden plate. You can use any plate, a small brass plate, and I'm keeping a pillar candle. I'll wrap this necklace around this candle and add few flowers at the end, making sure the knot or all the threads are tucked inside. I'll use couple of bangles from my bangle collection and I have too many, and believe it or not I haven't bought a single one. They are gift from family and friends. I'll stack these bangles and place some tea light candles. You can also use these tea light holders or just use battery operated tea lights. Colorful dupattas and scarves are, I think, a perfect as table runners or throw. And the best part, Scrunch them up for the extra texture and volume. It's a fantastic way to add layers without even spending a penny. So, if you're using a light fabric like chiffon, just layer them over a cotton runner to keep them in place. Maximizing your floral arrangement, I have a very easy hack. Use newspaper to fill baskets to the top and then add a thin layer of flowers. It creates a beautiful and a full look without needing of too many blooms. I have shared this in one of my previous videos. Sometimes I feel all that you need is rearranging your crockery to just give you a fresh look to your decor. I love displaying beautiful plates and bowls, and a simple trick of using double-sided tape helps to keep everything in place. Old glass bottles are DIY dream. Paint them, wrap them with lace, or simply add fresh flowers. There are endless ways to use them. I'll show you how I use this lace to wrap these bottle for this quick and a festive look. Feel free to recycle any of your sari ka lace or a border. Don't throw them away. They can be used to wrap around these jars and even decorate trays. Yet simple but very festive. This is a small old trick I learnt. Use toothpick to make floral arrangement if you don't have stems. It's such a clever way to keep the flowers in place and create an illusion of a fuller arrangement. If you don't have a glue gun or a heavy duty glue, just use pins and toothpicks to hold the laces in place. Here is a very quick idea for an elegant centerpiece. Use that steel plate that you have as urli. Just make sure the sides are a little taller. I am wrapping a jute ribbon, but you can also use a lace or a pretty fabric. And you got yourself a beautiful plate. To hold this in place, I'm using pins and toothpicks. Add your favorite candle holders and flowers to create a beautiful centerpiece. You can also make a floating rangoli in this. There are lots of videos teaching how to do that. But here is what I did. I filled it with all these DIY candle holders and added lots of fresh flowers. Later on you will see I added water and created a urli out of it.
Oh, my love for you will never fade away. 5 a.m. as I sing. Oh, Stockholm love.
If you love the idea of napkin rings, try DIYing it first using paper, different colors of paper, or just simply craft paper. Wrap your favorite lace or a jute twine around it, and here you have a DIY napkin ring on a budget. There are multiple ways to create napkin rings, and I find this one being the easiest of all. If you're a plant lover, then I am sure you would love to use that as your festive decor. But not all of us have beautiful planters. If that's the case, just try wrapping it with beautiful paper or a fabric or just brown paper. This creates an elegant centerpiece decor. And that's it. These are zero cost decor ideas, easy to implement and bring such a joy during festive season. Do try them out and let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such ideas. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.